Hello there. Do you like science?
Yes! I don't know.
Let me ask that a different way. Do you like cars, smartphones, longer lifespans, cures for diseases, delicious food, books, movies, television, lasers, explosions, the internet, jetpacks, bridges that don't fall down, and a greater understanding of life and the universe?
Yeah!
Then you like science.
Ooh.
If you enjoyed learning about life in biology, throwing stuff, crashing stuff, and learning how the universe works in physics, and making ice cream and tie-dye shirts in chemistry, then chances are you're actually quite a big fan of science. Luckily for you, there are numerous electives and AP science courses that you can take as an upperclassman. Want to know more?
Yeah!
Great! Let's get started, shall we? Did you know that 70% of Earth's surface is covered by ocean water? It's true! That's a lot of water, and most of it has not yet been explored. The more that humans research the ocean, the more we've realized that the health of our oceans is vital to the health of our planet. For that reason, humans study marine science, the study of the oceans and the organisms that live there. In this half-year course, you'll learn about the many features of the sea floor, the motion of the ocean, the chemistry of seawater, and many ocean-dwelling species. From the microscopic plankton, to jellyfish, to sharks. You'll take a field trip to Woods Hole Oceanic Institute, one of the most widely known marine research facilities in the world. On this field trip, you will take a voyage on a research vessel to study the ocean and conduct water quality tests, as well as collect marine specimens. Do you like spy, mystery, or detective stories, like Sherlock Holmes or even Scooby-Doo?
Yes!
Do you like watching crime shows, like CSI, Law and Order, or NCIS?
Yeah.
I guess.
Okay, Batman. Have you ever wanted to be like Batman?
Yeah!
Well, in that case, you should study forensic science, the study of solving crimes. This is another half-year course. In forensics, you'll learn about various types of evidence and how to properly collect evidence at a crime scene. You'll learn about the different units of a forensics crime lab with hands-on lab experiences involving hair samples, fiber samples, pollen, blood splatters, DNA, fingerprints, handwriting, impressions like teeth and feet and tires, drug identification, ballistics, and osteobiography, the biology of bones. Are you curious about what causes your muscles to move? What causes pain? How do doctors treat pain? Why do some people need glasses but others don't? What is cancer? How can technology help to treat injuries and diseases? How does the body work? Well, in Anatomy and Physiology, you'll do labs and activities that answer these and many other questions. In your journey to understand the human body, you will inevitably need to explore what's inside a body. And that means dissections. You'll dissect a rat, a sheep's brain, a cow's eye, and even a pig's uterus.
Oh, God.
If you want to learn about how the body works and what causes diseases and disorders, this full-year course will be right up your alley. It's a great launching pad for careers in medicine, athletic training, and physical therapy. Have you ever wanted to save the world?
Yeah!
Well, then there's something you should know. The Earth is in danger. That's right. Every year, humans take up more and more space on this planet. Because of this, we're using up the planet's natural resources and causing its climate to change very rapidly.
Oh no!
If we're not careful, we could run out of things like fuel and fresh water within the next few centuries. Don't worry, kids. There is something you can do to help. Taking a full year of environmental studies can teach you all of the basics of living a healthy, sustainable life that does no harm to the Earth or its citizens. In this project-based class, you will learn about clean, renewable energy sources, such as solar panels and wind turbines, and modern discoveries that are revolutionizing science, such as fully electric cars. In this class, you'll create educational media for public consumption and even volunteer in your community. Taking this class will ensure that you know the facts about environmental issues, so that you can make informed decisions as you become an adult citizen and a voter. It can also open the door for a wide range of careers, such as environmental consultants, architects, and inventors.
Wow, those all sound great. I love science. Is there anything else that can expand my horizons even further?
Well, I'm glad you asked. In addition to the 4 college-level courses we've already discussed, there are also the AP Sciences.
Woo!
If you're ready to tackle humanity's environmental issues head-on and aren't afraid to get your hands dirty, then AP Environmental Science may be for you. This course focuses on using science practices to analyze and solve the problems of pollution, climate change, etc. If you take this course, be ready to play in the dirt, design solar homes, and travel to the Cape. This class is not just for those who want to major in environmental science, but also for anyone interested in marine science, engineering, public administration and health, urban planning, and even business and management. Have you ever wondered, why is the sky blue? How do 3D movies work? What causes rainbows? What's a mirage? Why is there air? What's lightning? Whatever happened to B-cell batteries? Magnets, how do they work? Well, if you're curious about the world of physics, then your next step ought to be AP Physics! In this class, you'll learn about the higher mysteries of the universe, conduct labs in ways never before seen, and work together with your classmates toward common goals. Hardworking individuals who study AP Physics often find careers as an engineer, a doctor, nurse, architect, astronomer, writer, artist, lawyer, or computer scientist. The sky is the limit. If you loved your biology course, then get ready to rekindle that fire once more as you perform strange and wonderful feats in AP Biology, such as transforming bacteria until it's green and glowing. In this class, you'll use biology to discover who committed the crime on their biology teacher. You'll learn about the origin of skin colors and how color changes are evidence of chemical changes. Finally, you'll make new friends in the form of fruit flies and brine shrimp, which you'll experiment on throughout the year. You may even get to name them. Wee-hoo! Last but not least, there's AP Chemistry. This class is for those who wish to take a more in-depth look at the topics learned in their first year of chemistry. In this course, you will design your own labs and procedures in order to accomplish missions, such as making the most efficient and cost-effective hand warmer, determining how acidic common beverages are, and how to grow crystals out of metal. If you enjoyed your first year of chemistry, then go AP or go home. So, that's that. There are 8 science electives for you to choose from, 4 of which are AP and 2 of which are half-year courses.
Wow, thanks, mister, but there's so many cool classes to choose from. Which classes should I take?
Well, if you're not sure what courses you'd like to take, or if you're curious whether you have the necessary prerequisites to take a course, then just read the Program of Studies, or talk to your science teacher during the course selection process. Now, if you'll excuse me, there is science to be done. Away!